Assalamu alaikum ji. Welcome back to an episode of Kya Kehega Kazi. This episode is brought to you by Be Secure. Be Secure is an online payment platform. It's one of a kind. You enter your information and then it's a single checkout on most online shopping platforms. It's available for customers and for builders. बिल्डर्स मतलब जो लोग चीज़ें बेचेंगे अपने वेबसाइट पे उनके लिए भी अवेलेबल होता है कि आप ये सर्विस ऑफर करो अपने कस्टमर्स को. आई एम गोना रीड आउट सम ऑफ द बेनिफिट्स ऑफ बी सिक्योर. सो सिंगल साइन ऑन विद एड्रेस एंड पेमेंट, आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स पेमेंट एक्सेप्टेंस, डीप लॉजिस्टिक्स इंटीग्रेशन, ये बिल्डर्स के लिए मेरे ख्याल में, एंड कन्वर्जन रेट ऑप्टिमाइजेशन. Very interesting. So what's interesting about Be Secure is that they understand their customers to be builders because they're building the market, as it were. Interesting messaging. Very, very beautiful people to work with, and offer a convenience that has erstwhile not been existent in the market, which is a one-stop shop to all your checkout needs. You see something, you want to buy something, maybe a t-shirt or what have you. Har baar apna address dalna, payment information, cash on delivery, whatever else, takes all of that out of the picture. You just click and you're done shopping. So yeah, be secure. My guest today was Fawzia Zafar. Fawzia Zafar is employed in influencer marketing with a company that will not be named. She also has the Instagram page Rants of a Desi Bride. We get to speaking about both the beauty and the terror of childbirth, and the miracle that it is, but also that it should not be forced upon anyone, about societal imperatives, about working as a mother, about raising a child in the pandemic, in the lockdown, about beauty standards, about problematic paradigms that govern marital relationships, about loose language and how it affects or infects how we think about women. Enjoy. 3, 2, 1. Fawzia Zafar. How are you doing, Fawzia?
I'm good, alhamdulillah. How are you?
Solid, alhamdulillah. I was telling you about my preoccupation with the Pakistani army.
Yes.
Wonderful. That's how we start this podcast. So I've been taken by the idea of positive masculinity as opposed to toxic masculinity, which is the garden variety. So often I feel that there is not only room but a requirement for positive masculinity. और मुझे जो epitome लगती है उसकी as army officers, not like all of them. कुछ army officers भी काफी सेठिया हो जाते हैं, लेकिन most of them, given the way the poise and stuff.
Yeah.
तो तभी that's why I keep comparing. I'm like यार, हाँ.
सही है.
What are your thoughts about masculinity? बड़ी fit चीज़ है.
I think it really varies, right? Like these terms, like, I don't know. I just feel that there's so much happening and there's so much going on that you have to be very careful with how you're describing them.
Sure.
And the definition of these for each individual is also changing on a daily basis.
Sure.
Like there were a lot of words that, were very acceptable not too long ago. And now you have to be very you have to be very...
मिसाल दे, for instance.
नहीं.
मिसाल भी नहीं देंगी?
नहीं, मैं मिसाल भी नहीं दूंगी. I'm going to play safe.
इतना safe की बात ही नहीं हो रही है.
No, because I feel like now we are living in a very different age as compared to where we were, let's say, 2 years ago or 3 years ago even, which is very recent.
Yes.
So, सब कुछ बहुत change हो गया. सब कुछ बहुत बदल गया. So, you just have to be very,
safe.
Yeah. Not safe. I just feel like you have to be very conscious of what you are also thinking. Like sometimes you just want to be politically correct. But at the same time, you also have to be very conscious of who you are as an individual, and you also have to adapt, and you also have to evolve with time. Because, जिस तरह ये चीज़ें आ रही हैं, सब कुछ हो रहा है, you're also learning a lot. And there's a lot of things that need to be rectified in our behavior as individuals as well.
That's powerful, yes. Yes,
Thank you.
absolutely. मतलब माशाल्लाह से देखें क्या बात है आपकी.
Strong start.
Strong start है बस. Let's go. Pressure है, throughout pressure है यार.
Oh no.
कुछ फजूल नहीं बोलते. नहीं, but I feel जो आप बोल रहे हो about rectifying things in our behavior, I feel like a lot of the antagonism in conversations about our behavior comes from, sorry मैंने sponsor का mug जो है वो पीछे छुपा दिया.
Please give it the right attention. Good
जी
job. Very nice.
चाय मैं पीता भी नहीं हूँ.
It's okay. Mugs are always relevant.
Sure. This is where I put my feelings. And but you know how you're talking about we have to be mindful of what
Yeah.
we're thinking. I think a lot of the antagonism come in our conversations comes from when people are like, yaar, dekho, we might have contributed to the murder of someone.
Yeah.
That's serious.
Yeah.
That's heavy,
Yeah.
right? And आप जाहिर है किसी को भी राह चलते अगर ऐसी बात बोलोगे तो बोले पागल हो गए हो, क्या
Yeah.
मतलब है, मैं I was
Yeah.
just minding my own business trying to feed my kids, right?
Yeah.
But I suppose there's something to be said about all of us constituting, you
Yeah.
know, these
Yeah.
problematic attitudes. Abhi recently there was another honor killing type system.
Yes.
है ना?
Yes. I read up on that too.
Allah Raham
It's very
करे.
horrible.
Yeah.
It's very, very horrible. And I think this is the thing, right? That a lot of things that we have been taught since the day we were born, and a lot of things that we accept, now we are getting to know कि ये तो गलत है.
Mhm.
And you know, abhi bhi, when you sit with your parents or when you sit with your grandparents, you find out that they still believe in those things very, very strongly. And then you realize that this is just a part of, you know, how you always hear that we humans have evolved over the years, and you know, generations just come up with their own things in their own ways. This is just literally happening right in front of our eyes. You know, because you know, people living in the same house, like अम्मी अब्बू, एक भाई एक बहन, आपके अपने बच्चे, everybody is on a very different tangent.
Sure.
Thinking about something else, perceiving everything as differently. Even if you, I don't know, like you pick up a piece of news and you speak to two different people about it, and you know, it's like you hear something completely opposite that they have caught on from one line. It's very fascinating.
Fascinating is the nicest way I've ever heard it described. अभी जो ये नूर के साथ सारा हुआ,
Yeah.
people hear about it, वही जो आप बोल रहे हो, just 15 years removed, 15 साल क्या होते हैं
Yeah.
यार, मतलब 15
Yeah.
साल तो मैंने भी
Yeah,
गुजार
yeah.
लिए, क्या हो गया, तो 15 years of consciousness, in fact, I think, Allah Raham करे, I don't know how much of that I was conscious, but 15 years removed, right, and they hear this, and you'll see complete horror in one person, and the other person, उनकी line of reasoning ये होगी कि तू वो वहाँ पे क्यों
थी, क्या कर रही थी?
यार उस्ताद सुनो तो सही,
Yeah,
सोचो तो
people
सही.
don't understand that how a lot of things has become irrelevant in situations like these. That no matter what someone is doing or where they are or how they are or how they're dressed up or how they're interacting with someone, it's not relevant in a case like this.
No,
The point is that this should not have happened.
no, period.
Yeah.
That's it.
Like there's nothing more to it.
No, there
And then
is.
you know, like justifying and जी आप उनको stalk कर रहे हैं Facebook पे, and you know, the people are so curious about other people's lives, right?
Sure.
I want to know जी उनके घर में क्या हो रहा है, वो वहाँ क्या कर रही थी, उसकी लास्ट बात क्या हुई थी, उसकी अम्मा ने उनको फोन जो किया, उनकी क्या बात हुई, मतलब and except for the people, the relevant parties who are investigating and whatever, everyone in Pakistan right now is so invested in this case for the wrong reasons.
For all the wrong reasons.
Yeah. They want to know, जी उनका रिश्ता क्या था. You know, you see these clips on the internet that these reporters are following him and they're asking, जी आप वो आपकी girlfriend थी, आप भाई होगी, ये जो भी थी. What does it matter?
Why does it matter?
Yeah.
Why does it matter?
It's
I don't like, मैं उम्र का ये तकाजा अब आ गया है कि मैं ऐसी बात नहीं बोलना पसंद करता हूँ अपने लिए, लेकिन I was triggered by a piece of information a couple of days ago. A close friend of mine, she was telling me about how she went to the therapist. अमूमन ऐसा नहीं करना होता है, but she was just
Yeah.
telling me कि
Yeah.
what मतलब initial questions क्या थे, line of questioning क्या थी. Initial line of questioning was, from a therapist.
Yeah.
आप सुननी है शी है, आ खानी है. मैं बोला अच्छा, I'm a ठीक, that kind of party, huh?
Yeah.
And then she's like, were you recently involved with someone? If so, what was their ethnicity? What, like, were they Urdu speaking?
Yeah.
And then the therapist continued to talk shit about Urdu speaking people for a good 15 minutes.
Imagine that.
Yeah.
Like these are the people who are supposed to fix you.
And then she was like, and then she's like, were you know, did you go to his house? Did he come to your house? I'm like,
My
and throughout, I'm to my friend, I'm like, I know you to be an intelligent person.
Yeah.
You've seen the world.
Yeah.
You have.
Yeah.
Why didn't you just get up
Why
and
would you
leave?
engage? Yeah.
You could just get up.
Yeah.
No,
Yeah.
I'm not doing this. And then it occurred to me कि ये बोलना मेरे लिए आसान है, शायद मैं भी नहीं करता.
Yeah. Absolutely.
Because we
Yeah.
all try to maintain a
Yeah.
sense of propriety.
Yeah.
नहीं करते हैं.
The thing is, I very strongly feel that you can never really have an opinion on anything truly unless you are in the position yourself.
Sure.
So it's very easy for us to like look at someone and say कि जी इसने ऐसा क्यों नहीं कर लिया? This person should have
कुछ
done
कर
this.
लेती.
ये हो जाता,
हाँ.
वो हो जाता. What do you know? You don't know what's going on in
No.
their head. And the thing that you're talking about, that this world is just like people who are supposed to be helping you, people who are supposed to be, assisting you in making this world a better place or making you mentally sane.
Making
are
sense
the
of
people,
anything.
yeah, they're messing you up even more. And that's why, like, I personally feel that one of the most challenging things to do at this age and this time is to raise a child.
Sure.
Because, you're like, what all do I protect my child from?
Everything.
Okay, how do I save her from this and how do I save her from that? And, especially your daughter, right?
Sure.
Because in this country, like being a woman myself, being a woman coming from a place of extreme privilege. Alhamdulillah. I've had a very great life. But you cannot just, dismiss the fact that people are really, really struggling in this country, especially women. And now that I look at my own daughter, it really freaks me out.
But you've had a great life because you've existed in certain parameters.
Yeah.
You've had a great life, alhamdulillah, Allah ka karam hai,
Yeah.
in that you've also conducted yourself accordingly. Like, I can have a great life in that I like to work out, right? I can go flip tires
Yeah.
outside. I
Yeah.
could be shirtless for all I care.
Yeah.
It doesn't
Yeah.
matter.
Yeah.
So you can't have a great life like me.
Yeah.
You can have
Yeah.
a great life like, घर के अंदर रहती है.
Conditioning हुई है ना.
हाँ.
So basically we know that for me and for most of the women in Pakistan, one of the biggest woes is कि जी आपका ससुराल बड़ा अच्छा हो. Because this is what you're taught, that if your husband is helping you out in the house or if your husband is taking care of the child, you're lucky.
You're lucky.
You're
That's
lucky.
Because it's an exception.
Yeah.
Doesn't happen. Yeah.
So jabki this should be the bare minimum, right? Like if a husband is contributing equally in the house, then it's just something that they're supposed to do as an equal partner. Or if they're helping you out with the child, तो then जितना आपका बच्चा है उतना ही उसका भी बच्चा है. Then why is it such a big deal that
In the interest of other parties present in the studio, I will say this. है तो ऐसा ही कि that's the bare minimum.
Yeah.
लेकिन क्योंकि आपका husband programming
Yeah.
तोड़ के आपकी help कर रहा है, still becomes something.
No, तो वही मैं कह रही हूँ कि he's going to use this against me as soon as we get back. ठीक है? No, but the thing again, like nothing to take away from the fact that this is great, and
Sure.
like they're breaking stereotypes and they're trying to make an effort and change.
Yes.
But that's what I'm saying. That when you're talking about these parameters that have been set, they're so messed up. They're so
Horrible.
They're
Absolutely
absolutely horrible. कि like a woman who is allowed to, like, अगर मैं जाके घर से बाहर निकल रही हूँ and I'm walking on the street and there's no one telling me not to do it, I am a lucky person. Think about it. Like, think about it for 1 second. Like if I'm walking on the road and nobody's staring at me, I'm lucky. अगर मुझे कभी किसी ने छेड़ा नहीं है सड़क पे, I'm lucky. Like, this is the place where we live in.
Yeah.
So.
And then having a child.
Yeah.
I want to get into that. I'll tell you one story about my sister, and then I want to get into all that goes into, marriage is beautiful,
Yeah.
right? Especially if it's love, and even if it's not love, arrange bhi ho jaye. Agar kisi ke saath, there is proper understanding and all things. Like marriage, you want to get married, you want a partner, you want that.
Yeah.
It's beautiful. Having a child, though, पहली बात तो हमारे माशरे में marriage necessitates a child. शादी होगी तो बच्चा तो होना चाहिए.
Next logical step. Yeah.
ये तो होना चाहिए.
यही तो होना है, हाँ.
So, but mashallah say, I'm not sure how it was for you and your family, but having a child, completely different ball game. Because again, you need to understand, tabula rasa. This is they know nothing.
Yeah.
And they're gonna observe you, and they're gonna observe you in all the good times, all the bad times.
Yeah.
They have 10 times faster information consumption and synthesizing ability.
Yeah.
So they're going to process everything.
Yeah.
हर चीज,
Yeah.
हर आपकी
A child is like a sponge.
so exactly.
Yeah. So
हर
they're
आपकी
absorbing
अदा-
every single
Yeah.
thing.
कोई एक मीन चीज आपने बोल दी, कोई एक मीन चीज आपके हस्बैंड ने आपको बोल दी, सब कुछ, कोई मसला ही नहीं है.
Yeah, yeah.
You know, so that, and then add to it all that we've just spoken about, societal imperatives and
Yeah.
what have you. So I was going to tell you about my sister. My sister is 11 mahine younger than me, and she is at least 50% smarter than me. I'm being kind to myself. At least 50% smarter than me, right? Always wonderful in her education, in her competence, in the way she's interacted with us, right? Abhi, she is, alhamdulillah, managing a restaurant in Hyderabad,
Mashallah.
right? Alhamdulillah, in Hyderabad. And I have, this is a person who has studied on scholarship her whole life, right? Mashallah, and she's worked extremely hard. Never have I seen her at a loss as much as I see her now, because she's like, yeah, मैं उनको बता रही हूँ, they know that I pay their bills, they pay their salaries, they know who's in charge and all those things.
But
They just can't bring themselves. They just can't bring themselves to listen to me.
yeah.
उसके लिए and देखो again वही वाली बात है, idealism versus pragmatism. उसके लिए भी मेरा या मेरे भाई का उनके साथ होना लाजमी है. Now दो चीज़ें हो सकती हैं, या तो हम बोले sucks but I'm doing my own thing,
Yeah.
or we're like, then this is our role then, you know, just
Yeah.
back her up unconditionally,
Support
right?
her, yeah.
It's ridiculous. Like you said, it's ridiculous, and the more removed you are from a metropolitan, the more
The worse
interesting
it
it
gets.
gets.
Yeah.
Plus, it's just because वो ख़वातीन भी ऐसी conditioned हैं कि they're just like, हाँ यही होता है, you know.
And this is the thing, right? Like, people, to be able to get out of something horrible, you need to first be aware of the fact that you are in something horrible.
Exactly.
But it's so powerfully ingrained in our brains that it's very hard to accept कि जी ये तो गलत है. और
ये गैर
आप-
मुनासिब है.
yeah, ये मानना कि ये चीज़ सही नहीं है, वो इतना बड़ा चैलेंज है. Like to reason with someone, like for sometimes even with my mom, so I'm sitting with her and I'm like, नहीं अम्मी ये नहीं कह सकते, ये गलत है.
Give me an instance.
Let me think about it.
But don't be mean to your mom.
Yeah, I'm trying not to.
Islamic
So
mother.
yeah, if I say something mean, then I'll make sure she does not watch this.
पूरे
But-
podcast ही देखा.
हाँ, मतलब मैं किस तरह, मतलब I'm just thinking. But you know, like, okay, so if you look at social media, you know,
Sure.
there's a lot of stuff that's happening, like all these TikToks and all of these things. And, you know, my work primarily revolves around influencers and managing influencers and dealing with influencers and all of that.
Sure.
तो she's like, ये क्या पहन कर आ गए हैं और ये ना सही नहीं लग रहा, या फिर, you know, this woman is pretty old, so ये सही नहीं लग रहा इस पे रंग. And I'm like, why? And she's like, no बेटा,
ऐसे
ये
नहीं
नहीं,
होता.
ऐसे नहीं होता.
ऐसे नहीं होता.
क्या ये, या फिर, you know, like just that people just make this remark कि जी दुल्हा की अम्मा जो है वो लाल लिपस्टिक लगा के खड़ी हो गई थी, तो मतलब it's okay, she's happy.
She's happy.
She's celebrating her son's marriage, it's okay. But you know, it's such a thing कि जी आप इतनी बुरी हो गई हैं और आप लाल लिपस्टिक आपने लगा ली है. Oh my god, like it's like, so you know, these things, it's very like I'm giving you something, it's a very small tiny thing, right? But
it happens all the time.
yeah, and this is where
prevalent, yeah.
this is how it starts. This is where things start stemming from, and it just grows and grows and grows and grows, and then it just becomes something entirely different. And then girls are being told how to live their life because of, you know, like, so I'll give you another example, and I think मेरा थोड़ा सा उल्टा सीन चलता है because I just want to make sure that my child has a choice in everything.
Inshallah.
ठीक है, मतलब what I can do for her, I want to. So I don't buy her dolls right now
Okay.
because she is 20 months right now, mashallah. So she's very
Mashallah,
tiny.
yeah.
So I feel like थोड़ी सी बड़ी होगी, so I'll take her to a toy store, and then if she wants to buy a doll, then that's her choice. But I want to be able to give her that. And अगर मैं उसको बचपन से अगर दिखाऊंगी dolls, then she is just going to be conditioned to believe that she should play with dolls,
Sure.
right?
Yes.
तो मैं बहुत ना, मतलब sometimes I get very intense about it कि जी अगर सुनिए, my sister is like, oh, I saw this very cute like kitchen set and I want to get it for Sophie, and
No.
I'm like, no,
No kitchen sets.
no kitchen set for her. And my husband is like, no, but you know,
Get aggressive.
maybe, I get
Why,
really
why
aggressive.
didn't you get a toy
Yeah.
car?
Yeah.
What's wrong
I'm
with a
like,
toy
why
car?
not? And then I also don't want to, you know, for her to think कि जी सिर्फ गाड़ियों से ही खेलना है. So it's such a like battle in your head.
Yeah.
कि, you know, like how do you become a good parent?
Sure.
अभी अजीब ही है.
Good parent तो एक चीज़ है.
Yeah.
But and you know, in our muashra, it's understood कि एक उम्र से पहले
Yeah.
बच्चा भी कर लें, जाहिर है,
Yeah.
क्योंकि नहीं तो but having a child,
Yeah.
right, apart from okay all the stuff that you need to do to raise the child,
Yeah.
what's the decision like for you? Because your life's never going to be the
Yeah.
same.
Yeah.
Never. Your body's never going to be the same.
Yeah.
Your relationship with your husband,
Yeah.
your relationship with your parents,
Yeah.
nothing
Absolutely.
will ever be the same.
Yeah.
Isn't that scary?
It's extremely scary, but I think that in my case, I'll tell you what happened. So, my husband and I are both very baby crazy people. So we love babies.
All
So we
right.
knew that eventually, eventually at some point we would want to have a child of our own, and we spent a good time together. We were married for almost 4 years when we had our daughter.
Wow.
So
Mashallah.
so we knew that we want to take some time for ourselves and then eventually start a family. And वही जो बात होती है ना कि it's just like the next logical step.
Sure.
I feel like in a lot of cases you can never be prepared enough to have a child, and you don't know what it's going to be like till you're actually in the situation yourself. So आप सुनते हो कि जी आप नहीं सोते, बच्चा पैदा हो जाता है, अभी नींद पूरी कर लो, बच्चा आ जाएगा तो सोओगे
यार लोग
कैसे, ठीक
डराते
है?
हैं ऐसा?
Yeah. So this is the thing ना कि either people tell you कि नहीं जी कुछ नहीं होता, बच्चे तो पल ही जाते हैं, सबके बच्चे होते हैं, and the other side is कि people just scare the shit out of you, right?
Yeah.
They're constantly like, oh, it's horrible, and how are you going to do this, and how are you going to do that? I feel being a parent, it's such a, like, I don't know how to say it in a nice way, but
Don't say it in a
basically,
nice way.
yeah. So it's complete mind fuckery, ठीक है? Because it's the best and the worst thing that's happening to you simultaneously.
That's a
So
beautiful
like,
way. Yeah.
yeah, so I haven't slept in 20 months. Okay? I'm telling you, like, I think
Gee.
yeah.
Doesn't sound the
yeah,
best.
So that's horrible. But like you're frustrated and you're mad and you're angry. But this is one thing my husband always says to me, that I never look at my daughter when I'm mad at her. Because the second you look at that face, you just, there's nothing else that's
Yeah.
there. They're just so innocent and cute and adorable. And like, babies are just like,
They don't understand to be afraid.
yeah.
They're like,
Yeah.
डर क्या होता है?
उन्हें कुछ नहीं समझ
मैं
आती,
कम
ठीक है?
कैसे हूँ
Yeah.
किसी से, you know?
हाँ, children are just like so, I think it's an honor, for lack of a better word. I personally feel it's an honor to see a child grow.
Oh, that's
Whether it's yours or it's anyone else's who you were close to. But when you see a child being born to, and even, when you're pregnant and you can interact, the baby is interacting with you in such weird ways, like
Sure.
from that stage to see a child grow every single day, शक्ल भी बदल रही होती है, आदतें भी बदल रही होती हैं, and you're like, how you never thought that a child saying bah would be so cute
So
to you,
beautiful, yeah.
कि you would die, कि
सारे
oh my
literature
god,
पढ़ लिया
कि
लेकिन
oh हाँ, कि मेरे बच्चे ने वेव कर दिया, so like you're dying कि जी इससे स्मार्ट बच्चा तो दुनिया में कोई है ही नहीं कि जी 6 महीने का बच्चा वेव कर रहा है, तो मैं तो वही उफ क्या आ रहा, मतलब my child is the most smartest, coolest kid in the world. But I feel, again, I think there's not enough conversation about what goes on into being a parent
Sure, no.
and how it impacts your relationships. I think this is such an important thing. It needs to be talked about because I think more than anything else, your relationship with your husband, it really, really gets impacted in a good and a bad way.
Okay. All right.
Like I think it's more about how you navigate it.
Sure.
I think in my case, my husband and I became very, very, very close after
Alhamdulillah.
after we had a baby. But we had a lot of really tough times as well, because after you give birth, you're exhausted. And it's not like then you can just go and take a break, because that's when it starts, right?
Yeah.
And initially the child needs to be fed every 2 hours. The child is crying. They're not sleeping. Unke liye din aur raat is the same thing.
Sure, of course.
So it's exhausting. And eventually, so taking nothing away from everyone who supported me, my mom, my mother-in-law, my husband, my sisters, my sister-in-laws, my brother, my dad, everyone. I think eventually at the end of the day, बच्चा आपका होता है, ठीक है? So आपके ऊपर ही पड़ती है, माँ का होता है. So like eventually it's your responsibility to make sure that the child is fed, because biologically nobody else can do that. So like
Isn't that a controversial opinion though?
what?
कि आखिर में बच्चा माँ नहीं पालना होता है these days.
पालना नहीं होता. मैं ये कह रही हूँ कि responsibility end में, like you are the one questioned.
Right, okay. Okay.
Yeah, I'm not saying because for instance, like I am at work the entire day.
Yeah,
So
mashallah.
my child, alhamdulillah. So my child is with my mother-in-law and with my husband.
कितना शानदार है आपका हस्बैंड आपको काम भी करने देता है.
मैं बहुत लकी हूँ
जी.
भाई. मैं तो रोज नफलें पढ़ती हूँ कि अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह ठीक है. And you know when she wants to get out of the house, my mom lives just a street away, so she goes to my mom's place. ठीक है. So I have a great arrangement, alhamdulillah.
Yeah, mashallah.
And so now when I come back home, I have a lot of questions. What did she eat? What did she do all day? Because she can't tell me right now. So you know, like आपने पूछना होता है. But then once you're home, the child is your responsibility. You know, when you're tired, you're exhausted, because you know, एक होता है, there's this thing around in our culture and society कि जी माँ से ही पूछा जाएगा ना. अगर किसी को पूछना होगा, even though my husband takes care of the baby, if somebody wants to know कि जी what does she eat all day, they will always come to me.
And you're saying that shouldn't necessarily be a line of questioning that should be directed towards you if he's taking care of her. Like भाई क्या खाया?
मुझे नहीं पता उसने क्या खाया. मैं तो नहीं थी उसके साथ घर पे. But not knowing कि what my child ate makes people question my role as her mother. कि जी आप जो हैं, आपको नहीं पता आपके बच्चे ने क्या खाया?
नहीं.
कैसी माँ हो? बच्चे को छोड़ के ऑफिस चली गई है. वो तो इतनी छोटी है. इतना जुल्म. अल्लाह. You know, like you just become this, like, you know, villain in this beautiful story where, you know, like, so often, obviously, like, I am also attached to my child. I don't like leaving her alone at home and leaving. Similarly, when I am leaving and she knows I'm going to step out of the house, she gets upset. Is this natural?
Sure.
Because, you know, उसका तो दिल करे तो सब उसके गिर्द बैठे हैं ना. एक तरफ दादी बैठी हो, एक तरफ बाप बैठा हो, एक तरफ माँ बैठा हो, and she just wants to keep on rolling around.
Of course.
And she makes sure that everyone is in one room, and then she goes and she closes the door. So she wants to be surrounded by everyone that she loves.
Yes. Mashallah.
But naturally, like, that cannot be the case. There's a life that everybody's leading, and she's eventually going to adapt to it and get used to it and understand.
There is in psychosocial development, psychosexual नहीं वो फ्रॉइड का था, but psychosocial development, psychosexual में भी ये बातें तो खैर होती हैं. There is this thing through when a child develops through the stages na, at 20 months old is when they start developing secure attachment.
Yes.
So they're attached to you,
yes,
right? But at the same time, they're also secure in that you won't leave them.
Yeah. So separation anxiety also really sets in.
Yes.
So this is something I'm dealing with right now. For the past week or 10 days, she would just not leave me. If she sees my face, then she just wants to be hanging on to me at all times.
Yeah.
And it happens so suddenly because, you know, like we were getting used to this entire routine that, you know, she knows that these couple of hours I'm not going to be in the house. And even though I'm still that mother who escapes, chupke jaldi se darwaza band karo, main piche se nikal jaऊं.
Yeah.
Because I think that's more for me than her, because I don't like to say bye to her.
No,
like,
I understand.
Yeah.
So, as much as I could. Actually.
Yeah. But, you know, like, ekdam se, like, I really saw that she's becoming very, very clingy. And even though, like, you know, she is really, really close to my husband, sometimes she's with me, she doesn't even want to go to him. That no. And no bhi seekh liya unhone. She's like, no, mama, no. नहीं मामा. So you know, like, and then वही जो मैं बात कर रही हूँ कि it's so beautiful to see how all of these stages kids go through. And उसके साथ के भी जो बच्चे हैं हम देख रहे हैं now, she started preschool and we see all of these.
What the hell is preschool?
Preschool is this play group. So basically kids just play. The point of it is to make sure that the child is getting some sort of social interaction, which is
I think that
which is not happening because of COVID. So everything is online, which sucks even more because that means additional screen time for your child.
Of course.
But the point is that, you know, you see like a group of 4 kids, उनकी छोटी-छोटी windows में आपको नज़र आ रहे हैं Zoom call पे, and every child is doing something else. They're the same age, they're born in the same year, all COVID babies, but everyone but they all have their own distinct personalities at the age of between, you know, 1 and 2 years. It literally like blows my mind.
Sure.
And I think for me personally, I think my faith in God and everything, it just becomes so much more stronger when you see, you know, how this entire cycle is functioning and how a child is growing. It's just unbelievable.
Yeah,
it's
beautiful, mashallah. Say. But so then what do you say? Because, and I don't know where this came from, but this almost vehemence against having children. Lots of women. And the thing is, like we've just said, it's a literal... Pehli baat to, it's a miracle, right? But childbirth is also one of the most traumatic events you'll ever go through.
Yeah, absolutely.
Physically traumatic, right?
Absolutely.
Or mentally to chhod hi dein aap. Right? It is those things. So if a woman doesn't want to, she should never ever be forced to.
Yeah.
Right? Having said that, what you're talking about, the miracle of childbirth, how
Yeah.
beautiful it is, and all those things, how lovely it is,
Yeah.
how natural it
Yeah.
feels. उन सारी चीज़ों से when ख़वातीन begin to distance themselves in predicated upon the fact that they want to prioritize their
Yeah.
careers.
Yeah.
उसका क्या सीन है आपके ख्याल में?
So it's true. So the thing is that, so there are two things to it. I'll address both of them one by one. So when you
Inshallah.
talk about, people having a choice when they want to have a kid or not, I think it is, like what you said, is so true that it is a great thing. It's beautiful. It's great to see child grow. But at the same time, it's by far the most challenging thing, the most difficult thing you'd ever do in your life. I think starting from pregnancy, because a lot of people have like horrible pregnancies. A lot of women have like really, really difficult pregnancies. Then labor. Labor is just like, okay? And then the actual child itself. So for me, personally, I sometimes feel that I am incapable of having another child. And for a lot of people, that's a very big question. Like, जी क्यों? बच्चा तो अकेला हो जाएगा. How will that go on? How will that happen?
खुदा की कसम है उनको जो है चाय का कप फेंक के मुंह पे मारो.
And same is the case with a lot of women who do not want to have kids. कि again, like in our society, it's just वही बात आ जाती है कि it's just such a next logical step वाली चीज़ कि जी अगर आप ये नहीं कर रहे हो तो आप में तो कोई मसला है.
हाँ चलो मसला है उसके बाद क्या करें?
So हाँ मतलब यही ना कि आपको तो कोई प्रॉब्लम है. अच्छा नहीं तो फिर इनके ना बच्चे हो नहीं रहे होंगे.
हाँ नहीं हो रहे.
तो people will just keep on calling you and send you number of these weird gynecologists and these आमिल बाबाज and stuff कि जी इन्होंने ना उनका आप अपने टांग पे लैपटॉप रखते हैं ना इसलिए आपका बच्चा नहीं हो रहा है. मतलब people would just come up with anything just to sort of prove कि जी ये जो हो ही नहीं सकता कि एक औरत को बच्चा ना चाहिए हो. ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है? Like it's to people it's such an unnatural thing that they refuse to believe it's true.
यार हाँ वही वाली बात है ना. I've spoken to quite a few people that are absolutely all right with what comes after childbirth.
Yeah.
Right? They're like, we'll adopt a kid.
Yeah.
And I'm like, huh?
Yeah.
Why the moral quandary, right?
Yeah.
Like, you want a
Yeah.
child? नहीं, वो आपका होना चाहिए.
Yeah, मतलब what is that?
भाई देखो मैं मेरी बात सुनो. I'm 28 years old and I don't know which way is up.
Yeah.
What am I going to tell a
Yeah.
kid? You know what I mean? I'm going to be like, yeah,
True. And the thing is
ये
कि if
मुआशरा
you also look at the world right now,
it's on
like
fire.
I just think about it कि मुझे लगता है मैं तो मर जाऊंगी ना.
अल्लाह रहम करे. क्या
मतलब eventually तो I will die,
तो सबको
right?
जाना है.
Everyone will go. But do I really want to leave so many kids on this planet to deal with, and then people come up to me and say, कि oh, they are going to make this world a better place.
Really?
Yeah, but like okay, sure.
Like we were supposed to.
Yeah, like my parents had 3 kids because we were supposed to make this world a better place. So generation after generation, you just expect कि जी आप इतने हम optimistic ना हम ये approach लेके चलें कि जी इनके लिए बेहतर होगी दुनिया. But like if you look at the world right now in this current, अभी अगर आप Google कर लो जी happening in the world, ठीक है, यहाँ आग लगी हुई है, यहाँ पे floods आ रहे हैं. These are the natural disasters only. Then if you talk about the human-made bullshit that's
climate
going
change and
on,
all
right?
that?
Yeah.
Beautiful.
So you look at climate change. आपको तो भी नहीं पता आधी दुनिया में तो वो कह रहे हैं पानी खत्म हो जाएगा थोड़े टाइम बाद. आपको मतलब it's just like why would you want to subject these beautiful tiny people to this world? Like I was
Because then they'll grow up to be like us, no?
yeah. But is that a good thing? Like I feel like mentally everyone in the world right now needs a therapist. Everyone.
100%.
Every
100%.
single person
I think
needs to be
therapists
in
need therapists.
Yeah. Because like it's such a horrible time to be alive.
Sorry, I need to pay bills. Don't understand. It's a difficult life.
It is a difficult life. It is very difficult.
Podcasting and stuff. What are you gonna do?
Yeah, man.
But no, to your point, I think there is absolutely a dearth of therapists, good therapists, proper therapists. Having said that, I also think that I am entirely too sure about the proclivity of a Pakistani person to make money.
Yeah.
वो किसी भी चीज़ को बेच के पैसे बना लेंगे. तो जिस खातून की मैं बात कर रहा था, apparently she is very well recommended.
Yeah.
I'm like, what?
Yeah.
This person's recommended. And वही जो मैं पहले ही बात बोला था, propriety dictates or whatever, I don't know, networking or whatever कि हम जो है we don't call people like that out
Yeah.
right there and
Yeah.
then कि भाई you're not fit for this job.
Yeah.
What are you doing? You know, go be an auntie
Yeah.
somewhere.
Because then you'll be battamiz, na. That is also a very big question in our society, right? Like if you are voicing your opinion about something which is not what people want to hear, then you're battamiz. बदतमीज पागल, लाइक ये तो इतने कॉमनली यूज वर्ड्स हैं हमारे मास्टर में
खूबसूरत ना पागल कर
कि
दो
हाँ,
किसी को.
इसका दिमाग खराब है, ये बदतमीज है, ठीक है, ये पागल है, ठीक है, इससे आगे नहीं हम बढ़ते हैं. फिर वो अलग कैटेगरी में पहुंच जाते हैं. बट द थिंग इज कि दिस इज सो, यू जस्ट हैव टू सप्रेस योर सेल्फ सो मच on a daily basis.
You thinking as a woman or as a person? Right
I think as a person.
Okay.
I don't think that is.
But it's just amplified as a woman.
Yeah.
At least 50%.
Yeah, for sure.
Huh.
Because as a woman, you have a lot more attached to you, right? Like the perfect daughter and the perfect bahu and the perfect beti, you know. And one of the characteristics of a perfect beti or bahu or
they don't talk.
They don't talk. They don't talk back.
They don't talk.
They don't talk.
आपको खाने में क्या पसंद है? आप जो खाएं.
हाँ, आप बता दें, मैं खा लूंगी, ठीक है, जो ये खाएं.
That's
ठीक है?
ridiculous,
Yeah.
dude.
And like it's
एक
like,
मिनट, I do that. Am I the perfect beti?
are you?
Am
Are
I?
you? But the thing is, and दूसरी चीज़ पर ये भी आती है ना कि अगर आप बोल दो, अगर आप बोलते हो ये बड़ी तेज लड़की है, ये बड़ी तेज है, ठीक है.
तेज as opposed to slow. Slow क्या होता है?
स्लो, हाँ, मतलब वही ना कि तेज तो वर्ड ही गलत है. बट अगेन लाइक तेज वर्ड इज नॉट, उसकी जो मीनिंग उसके साथ अटैच किया जाता है, इट्स नेवर पॉजिटिव, राइट? लाइक यू थिंक अबाउट इट कि बड़ी तेज लड़की है तो आप ये सोचो कि बड़ी प्लेजेंट पर्सनालिटी वाली
तेज लड़की है जी, माशाल्लाह से.
माशाल्लाह बहुत तेज है.
100 मीटर में गोल्ड मेडल. बहुत तेज है.
But
so lame.
yeah,
Why are we so lame? सर में दर्द हो रहा है. Well, yeah, sure. I don't know. Colloquially, अगर इसको हम थोड़ा सा unpack करें, when they say तेज, do they mean कि इनका दिमाग तेज है?
No, लड़की तेज
ज़बान
है,
तेज है.
ज़बान तेज है. This is like one, मतलब you know like, so it was one of those things that I really faced in some early years of my life, like let's say 10 years ago. So I got this opportunity to attend a conference.
Wow, mashallah.
Yeah, I was 19 then.
God damn.
So it was on the other side of the world, ठीक है. So I went to my parents. I was like, जी मैंने जाना है. So my parents, alhamdulillah, are extremely supportive. Very, very, like they're like, we are putting our trust in you.
Yeah.
You live your life. You know your limits, and we expect you to, you know, follow them and adhere to them.
What happens if I don't?
Then they're like, but there was never any consequence like that. कि जब तुम आओगे ना तो तुम्हें बताती हूँ मैं
Isn't
type.
that beautiful?
Yeah. So I think in my case, I feel my parents put so much trust in me that I would just feel guilty doing something that I was not supposed to.
Sure.
So, you know, like after, obviously अब ये नहीं कि मैंने ज़िंदगी में कुछ गलत किया नहीं, but you know, like you would not do anything इतना बुरा because you would not want your parents to find out through someone and for them to think, you know, because my dad would always say कि I will be disappointed.
That's it.
And that's
Right.
it. And that's something that you could not do because you know,
As
you know,
opposed to death threats.
yeah, कि मैं
तुम्हें मार
घर से
दूंगा.
निकलने दूंगी कभी, you know, like
तुम्हें मैं उल्टा टांग दूंगा.
yeah.
सीधा क्यों नहीं टांग
Yeah.
सकते हो?
So उस point पे my parents were like, अच्छा, you know, my mom was a little परेशान कि oh, how will she go all the way, कैसे होगा, क्या होगा. But my dad was like, you know what, he's like the dad in me, my dad is a teacher, okay? So he's like, so the dad in me is telling me कि जी ये तो समझ नहीं आ रहा, but he's like the teacher in me is telling me that you should be given this opportunity.
Wow,
And it will,
the chillest man on earth, huh?
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. He's just
So,
like,
yeah.
I can distance my feelings.
Yeah,
What?
yeah. So he was like, you know, like this should be good for you, so you should go.
Wow.
So I went, and I came back, and then फिर मुझे लग गया कीड़ा traveling का. I was like, अब तो मैंने यहाँ भी जाना है, मैंने ये भी करना है, मैंने वो भी करना है, मैंने वो भी करना है. Yeah. So then I started traveling a lot, and my sister, as opposed to me, was very like she was an introvert. She would stay at home. She was studying very, very good GPA, doing a job somewhere, doing well over there. So she was like, you know, like very tamizdar, quiet.
Tamizdar.
Yeah, tamizdar.
जी.
Yeah, ठीक है. So मैं वो थी हमेशा कि फौजिया तो बड़ी तेज है. बहुत तेज
बहुत तेज है.
अकेली ट्रैवल करके आई है, अकेली. हाँ, and then ये कि तुम्हारे, and you know, like a lot of questions were also raised on my parents कि वो आपके पेरेंट्स ने आपको परमिशन दी थी, आपके पेरेंट्स ने आपको जाने दिया, उनको नहीं परेशानी हुई है. I'm like,
परेशानी उनको हुई.
yeah, बिल्कुल परेशानी हुई, but you know,
But
they like to believe that they raised me in a way that I'm going to be fine.
यार देखो ना, वो जो आप वाली बात, अल्लाह ताला आपको हयाती दे, आपके वालिदैन को हयाती दे, आखिर में सबने जाना है. एंड इफ एवरीथिंग गोज टू प्लान,
Yeah.
अल्लाह उनको हयाती देंगे, उनको आपसे पहले जाना है, राइट? इट्स अ
Yeah.
हार्ड रियलिटी. एंड
Yeah.
मैं तो काफ़ी ख़तरनाक बातें बोलता हूँ अपनी अम्मी को, फिर मुझे मार पड़ती है. लेकिन अल्लाह रहम करे. They were preparing you for the world,
Yeah.
for life.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean? They will also have to let you live it.
Yeah.
Now, sorry, excuse me. Granted, you were 19, right? Granted, maybe that's a little too young, but वही वाली बात है, like you're never ready to be a parent, you're also never
Yeah.
ready to be a grown-up.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm not,
Yeah.
ready to be a grown-up.
Yeah.
So, I suppose the most empowering thing in the world is when the people who you look up to or who raised you put their faith in you.
Yeah.
Put their trust in
Absolutely.
you.
Absolutely.
There's nothing more powerful. And so when we moved to Canada, उससे पहले हमारा भी मेरी बहनों का भी यही सीन था कि बेटा घर में ये हो ना. And वहाँ पे for the first time my mom took this step, and my father, to his credit, did not even for a second resist it. So I went to the U of T. We used to live in Oakville. I went to the U of T. U of T was a ghanta drive. My sister went to the University of Western Ontario, right? Again, scholarship.
Yeah. Of course.
Alhamdulillah. She was a 5-hour drive away, right? And people who were so close to us, were so liberal otherwise, and all those things, उन्होंने भी, and to their credit, out of sheer concern, उन्होंने राब्ता किया मम्मी से कि यार, you sure this is what you're going to do? And but yeah, she put her foot down, and I think this was one of the most potent experiences for my sister.
Yeah.
Like, there was parts of my sister's personality that were lost in that, obviously, because there's certain edges
Yeah.
that जो आपको अच्छे लग रहे होते हैं, right? But they
Yeah.
need to go. But on the whole, it's nothing that's as empowering as just being on your own and having the trust of.
Yeah. And I'll tell you what, I think, so, you as an individual too saw that this is the decision that your parents made for your sister,
Yeah, yeah.
So that would also stay with you.
Sure.
So I feel like वही चीज़ आती है ना कि as a parent, whatever you are doing, you are impacting multiple people around you, like your partner, your child, your other children, that everything is just so connected that you just, हम कहते हैं ना कि you just need to evolve and you need to be conscious of who you are and what you are thinking and what your opinions are. And कि you just need to accept कि जी, maybe this is not something I am comfortable with, but maybe this is the right decision for my child, or this is the right thing for my partner.
Sure.
And that is what I don't know, that is what will make things better, I feel. कि, for you to accept कि जी, जो मैं सोच रही हूँ या जो मैं कर रही हूँ, it's not necessary that this is the right thing for everyone around me.
Just be open to that conversation. Think about it, na? I'm 28. I'm going to be, if everything goes to plan, Allah mujhe hayati de, I'm going to be 29 in September. At the start of my 28th year on this earth, I found out for the first time, I have two sisters. I've had friends that are female, very lovely ladies, women now, alhamdulillah. At the age of 28, first time I was told कि यार period भी कोई चीज़ होती है.
No way.
And I'm just like, sure.
No way.
Right? नहीं मतलब उससे पहले मुझे पता था कि period कोई चीज़ होती है.
But
I was like, it's that time of the month, and all the problematic colloquialisms with, oh, she's cranky.
Yeah.
I'm like, but you're saying that like I'd be cranky if I didn't get pizza today.
Yeah.
Like, yeah, I'm cranky, pizza नहीं मिला, दाल चावल खा रहा हूँ.
Yeah.
अल्लाह का करम है, दाल चावल बहुत अच्छे होते हैं. But you know what I mean? It couldn't be further from the truth.
Yeah.
And then someone sat me down, and my mom couldn't have that conversation with me. My sisters couldn't. पर्दा, तमीज, वही जो बात होती है ना, ज़्यादा नहीं बोलो, मैं बड़ा भाई हूँ and all those things, right? बड़ा बेटा हूँ, right? And to their credit, they were trying to be proper and mindful of, I suppose, my feelings and my worldview. But someone sat me down like, बैठो, अब सुनो होता क्या है, right?
Yeah.
And just completely destroyed my brain for a bit, where I was like,
what?
Like when you say, oh, that time of the month she's being cranky, her stomach lining just fell out of her body. Like she's bleeding.
What do you expect? Yeah.
Like, what? You know, it's and the thing is, abhi bhi dekho, you're getting uncomfortable while I'm talking about this.
No, I'm not getting. I'm just thinking about it from the girl perspective. Okay, कि your entire life, when you're growing up and you start getting your period, like you don't even know what it is when you get your period. That's the case for half the girls in this country. They don't know what the hell is happening to their body because people are not comfortable enough having that conversation with them. And then Ramzan आ गए तो आप रोज़ा नहीं रख रहे, so you are supposed to pretend in front of the entire household कि जी मेरा तो रोज़ा है. And like plates of parathas are slid under your bed कि जी कमरे में जाके ना बंद करके चुपके से खा लो कि अब्बू बाहर बैठे हुए हैं या भाई बाहर बैठा हुआ है.
एक तो अल्लाह हमें माफ़ करे लेकिन हमारे रोज़े भी इतने कमज़ोर होते हैं कि
हाँ, मतलब क्या कि अगर मैं एक बूढ़ा आदमी है और वो अपनी दवाई खा रहा है आपके सामने, तो क्या आपको होगा कि यार पानी पी लिया, मुझे भी पीना है. ऐसे तो नहीं होता ना.
ऐसे नहीं होता.
एंड लाइक दिस इज द होल एंड इजंट द point of roza to control yourself and to control your urges
the
and
point
to
of the religion. Quran Sharif में लिखा हुआ है ना कि Allah Miya intends for you ease, not hardship. Right? With that, like your nothing you do should bother other people. अगर आप नमाज पढ़ रहे हो, आप अल्लाह मियाँ को खुश कर रहे हो, लेकिन आप किसी को तकलीफ पहुंचा के नमाज पढ़ रहे हो. You know, I'm not saying कबूल होगी नहीं होगी, मैं कौन होता हूँ बोलने वाला, लेकिन maybe consider like what's going on.
This is the thing ना कि people, so you see the best of people religiously who are not the best of people to other humans around them. Okay, they will backbite and they will gossip and they will, hurt other people emotionally, physically, and then they think that everything is okay because they're saying their namaz 5 times. Like my dad always says, he's like, Allah Ta'ala को तुम्हारी नमाज की ज़रूरत है ही नहीं. उनके पास इतने फरिश्ते हैं, ठीक है. अगर उनको वो कहें कि यार तुम बस दिन भर, मतलब they say कि even a पत्ता, can't move without Allah Ta'ala's hukum, right?
Exactly.
And every being on this planet is, I don't know, like praying to him in one way or the other in their own ways. So he doesn't need my du'as. No. He doesn't need my prayers.
He doesn't need anyone's prayers.
Yeah.
No.
So if I'm doing that, but and again, like I feel like if I miss a namaz, this is just me. And obviously, like I shouldn't. But if I do, and I feel if I ask Allah Ta'ala for forgiveness, He will forgive me.
Inshallah.
But tomorrow, if I hurt you, and I don't ask you for forgiveness, but I just think यार क्या हो गया, क्या फर्क पड़ता है, and you don't forgive me, then मेरी उस पे तो पकड़ होगी ना. क्योंकि हुकूक अल्लाह की माफ़ी है, हुकूक के बाद की माफ़ी नहीं है. Till you go and you apologize to the person themselves.
Exactly.
But we don't do that. हमारे लिए like, and the thing is कि another thing with me about religion is that people just mold religion based on their own convenience.
Dude, they absolutely commodify it and weaponize it. Yeah.
And this is with everything, right?
Yeah.
या आप सोसाइटी में भी जी, हमारी सोसाइटी में जो होती है लड़की काम नहीं करती, ठीक है, हमारी सोसाइटी में लड़की को अलाउ नहीं है. नहीं, आई एम जस्ट सेइंग, ठीक है, कि आप बोल दें कि जी हमारे यहाँ औरतों को अलाउ नहीं होता काम करना, बट हमारी सोसाइटी में जो है बाकी जो चीज़ें हैं वो सबको सारी अलाउड हैं, ठीक है. कि अगर आई डोंट नो, लाइक ऑल दीज मेन are walking like shirtless, जो है वो सीवी पे चल रहे हैं, that is fine, that is completely acceptable, right? But if a girl, for God forbid, अगर उसने capris भी पहन ली, ठीक है, तो वो लोगों का इस्लाम खतरे में पड़ जाता है कि जी how dare she.
सुनो, आप थोड़ा रूरल साइड पे चले जाओ, स्पेशली सिंध में, you go, you just move रूरल इंटीरियर, मैं किसी चीज़ की बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ, but you just move past हैदराबाद. Predominantly सिंध इस वाले वो प्रोविंस में एटलीस्ट खवातीन काम करती हैं, you know, और जितना आप अंदर चलते जाओगे आपको पता पड़ेगा कि even the hard labor that is masculine, those are masculine tasks, वो भी खवातीन करती हैं. What are you talking to me about, dude? Miss me with that. आजकल बच्चे ये बोलते हैं, मैं बहुत हिप हूँ, miss me with that.
मुझे नहीं पता था भाई, तो I'm like, sometimes I'm listening to the radio and I'm like, what are they saying? Or like these new kids, like these interns and stuff who come to the office and I'm like, what is this language they're speaking? And they come and they say, and I work in influencer marketing, so my job is to stay on top of all of these trends and stuff, and social trends I know, but these jargons and these words and मतलब ये lit and fly, ये मुझे अभी सीखा है मैंने जाके, ठीक है. lit क्या हो गया? What is lit? What is this?
Literature?
Yeah.
नहीं, not literature.
Like the light, like what is this? So you know, like, and वो इतनी तेजी में बोल रहे होते हैं, फर सब निकल जाता है, and you're just so lost. And then I just think about, you know, what my parents must have gone through, and you know,
Sure.
जब हमने उनको लैपटॉप से खाने शुरू किए थे कि जी,
But Fauziya, I feel हम जो है ना बड़े इंटरेस्टिंग टाइम में पैदा हुए थे,
हाँ,
because we've seen dial-up internet.
yeah,
We've seen what came before.
yeah.
We've seen no
Yeah,
internet.
yeah.
You know,
We
we've
were the
seen-
transition generation, right? Like we saw from phone उठा के गोल गोल घुमाए से बटन दबाने से
to email.
to email
To
email
iMessage.
yeah,
अब WhatsApp. बस.
अब कौन, अब तो मतलब लैंडलाइन तो मतलब होती भी नहीं है लोगों के घरों में,
नहीं
मतलब
होती।
आई डोंट नहीं होती
नहीं.
शायद, आई डोंट नो, अगर मैं 50 लोगों के घर जाऊं तो शायद 2 लोगों के घर में हो, नहीं होती.
My first job in Canada was for a company called Bell. Bell वहाँ की preeminent telecommunications company है. And there सारे जो वहाँ के lines हैं, phone lines हैं, वो Bell के हैं. तो जब मेरी जॉब लगी थी मेरे ख्याल में 2016 या 17 में, तो उस साल तक they were still selling phone lines. एंड हमें पता नहीं कितना बोनस मिलता था अगर हम फोन लाइन
Phone line
बेचते.
बेचते
मैंने
हैं,
बोला
हाँ.
मैं कैसे कन्विंस करूँ किसी को, सर आप प्लीज फोन लाइन ले लें. ले ले,
ले
समझे
ले,
बात
बस
को,
आप ले ले.
समझे बात को.
No,
मैं
अभी
दुआएं दूंगा.
Yeah, I remember the time when phone, like मोबाइल फ़ोन में जो आपकी सिम होती थी या कार्ड आते थे, वो इतने महंगे महंगे होते थे कि आपको रोज़ जाके हर 2-3 दिन बाद 1,000 रुपये का कार्ड आता था, बिकॉज यू नो जो आपको लोड करना पड़ता था, बिकॉज ये टॉपअप शॉपअप तो कुछ होता भी नहीं था उस टाइम पे. एंड नाउ इट्स लाइक, अब तो जूता खरीदो और सिम फ्री मिलती है लोगों को कि
Really?
या इट्स अनबिलीवेबल हाउ यू नो इतनी जल्दी इतना सब कुछ चेंज हो गया है कि it's mind blowing. And I feel like it's now I am losing track because मुझे तो नहीं समझ आता कि
सेम
yeah, मतलब it's so hard to keep up with everything कि sometimes I feel like I give up. होता रहे, चलता रहे.
But you're in influencer marketing, how are you going to give up?
I know, yes, that is रोजी रोटी पे लात मार.
अल्लाह रहम करे. सोचो कोई आता है आपसे मिलने, बोलते हैं you see that person who's given up, आपको उनसे जाके बात करनी है.
मतलब honestly, like, and you know, like, and talking about influencers only, you feel that, you know, how this entire field has empowered so many people, like my should I also put it somewhere?
I mean, I only have one. I would have given you one.
I can have my pani in it if you want. I can
But
just
it's
keep
just one. There's no two.
Oh, I'm sorry.
But yeah, a beautiful company. Well, please.
Do we want to?
Oh yeah, sure. Be Secure is a checkout platform. So, right, because we are, mashallah, say the credit card fraud capital of the world. तो है तो है कराची.
It is what it is.
Karachi. Love hai Jani. But so Be Secure basically makes it easier to check out.
Okay.
Right.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Awesome.
More or less. Thank you. पर हाँ आप बोल रहे थे.
मैं कह रही थी कि influencer marketing, like influencer, the whole this social media evolvement, whatever you want to call it.
Sure.
इससे किस तरह, how many people have been empowered, right? Like my sister-in-law was telling me that her maid recently ordered a ring light. और वो रात में TikToks बनाती है.
Wow.
And you know, like all of these people, like, so some of the biggest influencers in Pakistan right now are people from really small cities who don't even have proper access to internet, and they are doing this. And you know, like, I work a lot with influencers, so there was this one influencer I got on board, and you know, we worked with him and we did a lot of work, and then I had to pay him, so I was like, अच्छा मुझे अपने account details भेज दें and I need your NIC की copy. He's like, oh, I'm 16, so I don't have an account. I don't have an account right now, so this is my dad's. Oh, you can transfer it here. And no, I was making like millions of rupees, ठीक है, for these kids who don't even have a bank account of their own. So
Don't you think that's a double-edged sword?
what does that mean?
So double-edged sword. So मतलब it's good and bad ना, मतलब आप सोचो ना अगर दोनों तरफ से तलवार होगी, sharp होगी.
Oh, अच्छा, oh, double edge. मुझे लगा very double edge. I'm like, what is
Double
that?
edge,
Well,
yes.
I'm telling you, I'm
Lit.
really like lost. ठीक है,
So
so I was
lit.
like, maybe it's another one of those words I don't know.
Like मैं आपके
But what do you like? How?
So yes, जितने लोग who break through the ceiling,
Yeah.
you know, influencer marketing,
Yeah.
they get paid.
Yeah.
But then एक तरीके से एक अनरियलिस्टिक एक्सपेक्टेशन हो जाती है बाकी सबको
Yeah.
कि यार ये यही तो कर रहा है.
हाँ.
डॉक्टर साहब है,
Yeah.
असद भाई या
Yeah.
इरफान जुने जो
Yeah.
है
Yeah.
या हमजा इब्राहिम है,
Yeah.
यही तो कर रहा है, मैं भी
Yeah.
कर लूंगा.
Yeah.
You don't understand that that's
The
10
science
years
that-
of work.
Yeah.
That-
And the science that goes into it, right?
Sure.
And I think this is so I've been in influencer marketing for almost 10 years now.
Wow,
ठीक है?
माशाल्लाह.
So this is all I know. इसके अलावा मुझे कुछ आता ही नहीं है.
सही.
So basically learn about how people just expect कि जी influencer ये है, आप कॉल करके कहेंगे जी मुझे ये ना ये static post आप लगा दें, आप ये वीडियो बना के लगा दें, and they will just deliver. But they don't understand कि on the back of it, how much effort goes into it.
Sure.
Especially with content creators,
Sure,
right? These are people who have teams and they come up with concepts and then they work really hard and then they do proper photography होती है उनकी editing होती है, सब कुछ होता है, and then the content piece actually comes out. नहीं समझ आती लोगों को. To them it's just like ये क्या बस इंटरनेट पे नाच रहे हैं और पैसे बना रहे हैं, ये क्या है, you know? हाँ, and मतलब ये भी, so there's so much categorization in the types of influencers who are out there. Not everybody is an influencer to me. A lot of people are simply just entertainers.
Sure. Okay.
So like for instance अगर मैं हूँ और मैं बात कर रही हूँ कि जी ये जो प्रोडक्ट है इससे अच्छा सैनिटाइजर मैंने ज़िंदगी में आज तक नहीं देखा. So maybe no one will buy it. It really depends on the kind of content I really produce.
Sure. Okay. Yeah.
And there's another influencer who would say this and would probably end up selling out this product.
Sure, because that's how they position themselves. Sure.
Yeah.
Sure.
So like market बहुत बड़ी है, and a lot of people are on these social platforms and they're doing a lot of content and they're making a lot of stuff, but not everyone is an influencer.
Mm-hmm.
There are only a handful of people in this country who you can truly call influencers, who have some sort of impact on the buying decisions of people, and that I think that has a lot to do with the integrity of those people and how credible they are. So a lot of people would just come and वो हर sponsored काम ले लेंगे, बोलेंगे जी मैं सबसे इससे अच्छी ड्रिंक तो मैंने आज तक पी नहीं. नेक्स्ट डे they're talking about their competitors कि जी उससे भी अच्छी ड्रिंक है, इससे भी तो मैंने नहीं पी, या ये लॉन का जोड़ा सबसे अच्छा है, सबसे कंफर्टेबल है, अगले दिन दूसरा लॉन का जोड़ा सबसे कंफर्टेबल है. So your audience is now smart and they see through it.
Okay, yeah. So that's what I was going to say. That brands तो उनको पैसे दे देंगे.
Yeah.
अमूमन तो उन ब्रांड्स को भी सोचना चाहिए ना कि अगर उसने पेप्सी पिए एक दिन तो दूसरे दिन कोक ना दे उसको. बट बहरहाल ब्रांड्स भी मतलब आई सपोज
ब्रांड्स को सिर्फ बजट लगाने होते हैं ना.
सही.
They have budgets and they need to do something with that money.
सही.
And the thing is कि अगर if you look at sponsored work at this point, it is being given to, let's say अगर इस वक्त पाकिस्तान में 50,000 अगर इन्फ्लुएंसर्स हैं, तो शायद 1,000 लोगों को काम मिल रहा है.
Right. Okay.
क्योंकि वो एक ही सर्कल है जो रोटेट किए जा रहे हैं वही. हाँ, कि इनसे नंबर्स आते हैं, ये आते हैं, तो बस सेफ बेटर इनको आप ले लो.
सही.
तो ये है एक मसला. बट ब्रांड्स को तो करना ही है ना. बट लाइक एज एन इन्फ्लुएंसर अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल आर जस्ट गेटिंग इनटू दिस फॉर द फ्री स्टफ कि जी मैं इन्फ्लुएंसर बन जाऊंगी तो मुझे ना PR पैकेजेस आएंगे, आई विल गेट इनवाइट्स टू दीज फैंसी इवेंट्स एंड दीज लॉन्चेस.
कौन करता है ऐसी
यही
फजूल
करते हैं. आई एम टेलिंग यू दिस इज व्हाट फजूल हरकत नहीं, दिस इज द माइंडसेट बिहाइंड पीपल.
No, I'm making a pun. I'd love that as well. I'm joking.
I'm sorry. Mom brain. I blame everything on my mom brain now.
Okay.
But this is the thing, right? That people don't understand that it's extremely hard work.
Sure.
And there are a lot of people who do this full time.
Yes.
And this is all that they do.
Yes.
And they need to run their gharane. And like you can't just come in and say कि जी बस मुझे तो मैं भी बनना चाहती हूँ इन्फ्लुएंसर. मैं कैसे इन्फ्लुएंसर बन सकती हूँ? There's a lot that goes into it.
Sure. But at the same time, would you discourage people from doing it?
No, not at all.
Yeah.
Not at all.
If you have a unique thing that you would like to put
I
out
think
there.
for me, it's just a question on why you're doing this. So, like, if you just want to, a lot of people just make TikToks because it's fun.
Yeah.
Or, like, it's just something, freedom of expression. They can basically just put anything out there and, like,
Sure. Okay.
And then there are people who do this because they see someone else and they're like, I want this life. Like, influencers are basically... So, there's one thing that आजकल ना मेरी बहुत दुखती रह गया है कि there's a lot of toxic positivity on the social media, right?
G.
Perfect everything.
Yes.
Like my nails are perfect, my hair is perfect, my life is perfect, I have the best car, I'm going on the best vacations,
Yeah.
and like
I always look like this. I wake up like this.
And literally, like they literally has the audacity of putting on a face and coming in online and saying, "Ji,
मैं तो जागा हूँ ऐसा.
Abhi, I just woke up, guys. I'm just gonna go put on some makeup now.
Right.
Like, this is my beautiful skin."
Second laugh लगाऊंगी.
Yeah. the real layer. But I think iski वजह से this is giving birth to a lot of problems in our society.
Sure.
Because like people strive to be something which is not possible.
It's impossible. Yeah.
And nobody wants to show the other side of it. And they do not want to accept कि जी ये होता है, बिल्कुल हमारी जिंदगी है, but इसमें भी मसले हैं.
और ये सिर्फ आधा घंटा है.
Yeah. And people also like to believe that ये influencers की मैं तो उस influencer को ना inside out जानती हूँ because मैं तो stories देखती हूँ उसकी. But people are literally letting you on, let's say 20% of their entire day. And it's very selective, if that. Yeah. I'm saying कि maximum be if you think you have visibility to someone's life, you don't know what's happening with them and what's going on with them.
उसमें ये भी मसला है ना कि दो क्लेम्स ना, एक तो ये कि मैं इस इन्फ्लुएंसर को इनसाइड आउट जानता हूँ,
Yeah.
दूसरा क्लेम कि मुझे जानना चाहिए.
Yeah.
Like I am entitled to this
Yeah.
information.
Yeah.
Why would you think that you're entitled to another human being's
Yeah.
information?
Because मैं बताती हूँ, ये बहुत बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है कि people feel that if somebody is putting themselves out there,
बस with their public property.
तो then they're public property. And बहुत हॉरर स्टोरीज होती हैं लोगों के साथ, बेचारे इन्फ्लुएंसर के साथ क्या क्या नहीं होता. लोग उनको फुल स्टॉक करते हैं और डराते हैं, एंड यू नो लाइक पीपल फॉलो यू, एंड अजीब चीज़ें होती हैं बड़े इन्फ्लुएंसर्स के साथ. सो बट दे डोंट अंडरस्टैंड दैट they're still humans and they still have a life of their own, and you cannot expect, मतलब यू नो कुछ भी आके लिख देंगे, कमेंट्स पे बदतमीजी करना शुरू कर देंगे, वो सब कर देंगे, एंड उसका रिस्पॉन्स अगर हमसे बोलो कि जी आप ये क्यों कह रहे हो, तो रिस्पॉन्स यही होता है कि जी अगर आप ये लगा रहे हैं तो आपको सुनने की हिम्मत भी होनी चाहिए आप में.
Yeah, it's not just that. There's some people, and this is kind of toxic. It's a toxic way of thinking. I'll admit this, but some people, उनको जो है ना सिर्फ पिटाई नहीं हुई होती उनकी जिंदगी में.
Yeah.
Right? There's people because I've been doing quite a few podcasts lately. Alhamdulillah. तो लास्ट कोई 3 पॉडकास्ट में से 2 were about a serious subject matter, bullying and gynecomastia and you know, so Balaj Khan wali.
Yeah.
And then I put up a podcast with Momina Munir, and Momina, alhamdulillah, from apparently she's doing well now.
Yeah.
So it was a happy podcast.
Yeah.
बंदा कमेंट करता है, I won't take his name. बंदा कमेंट करता है कि अच्छा हुआ आपने ये लगा दी, the last 2 podcasts were depressing. ऐसा लग रहा था कि they were on the verge of killing themselves. I'm like यार एक मिनट उस्ताद. And my immediate reaction was यार ये रहता किधर है?
Yeah.
जाके इससे बात करते हैं कि भाई आपका पागल हो गए हो
मतलब
क्या?
हाँ.
What's wrong with you? Why would you say something like that?
Yeah.
But people think like this यार. What are you going to do?
The thing is that people just don't understand what kind of impact their words actually have.
Sure.
नहीं उन्हें नहीं पता.
नहीं.
So they just feel that gee, I have a phone in my hand and I have access to this comment section, so I can basically write whatever and wherever and जब भी जो भी. But they don't know कि how this is going to be impacting the people who are on the other side of it.
Sure.
And it is like it genuinely takes a toll on you. Matlab, even if you're not realizing it, constantly if you are being subjected to negativity, at some point आप फट जाओगे. Obviously. And the thing is कि कभी-कभी आपको समझ में भी नहीं आती कि जी why am I feeling the way I am feeling right now. You know, like अभी ये जो पूरा the entire situation with Noor and back to back जब इतनी सारी चीज़ें आपको सुनने में आई, so everyone was in a very weird state of mind.
Sure.
And
How
you know,
could you not?
Yeah, and the thing is कि we only realized that because it was a burst. तो वो एकदम से इतनी चीज़ें आई तो आपको बहुत ट्रांसपेरेंट था कि जो ये हो रहा है मेरे साथ, तो मुझे समझ आ रही है. लेकिन ओवर द ईयर अगर आप पूरे साल को भी देखो, पिछले साल को देख लो, कि रोज़ कुछ ये वो ये. उस मुल्क में जब कोविड स्टार्ट हुआ था, इस मुल्क में इतने लोग मर गए, इस मुल्क में इतने लोग मर गए, यहाँ पे ये हो रहा है, यहाँ पे ये हो रहा है. आहिस्ता आपके दिमाग में देयर इज़ अ बिल्डअप हैपनिंग. एंड यू नो लाइक एंड देन बाय द एंड ऑफ द ईयर एवरीवन वाज वेरी वियर्ड. लेकिन समझ नहीं आती थी जी क्यों. मैं तो खुश हूँ, मेरे घर में तो सब ठीक है, यू नो लाइक देन व्हाई एम आई सो डिप्रेस्ड, व्हाई एम आई सो अपसेट. और आपको नहीं समझ आ रही होती. एंड सेम इज द केस विद सोशल मीडिया, दैट पीपल दे स्टार्ट फीलिंग not satisfied with their own lives because they feel something is missing, because their life is not that perfect, right? कि जी वो इन्फ्लुएंसर है, वो तो 50 साल की है, बट वो तो लगती 20 साल की है, तो मैंने भी ऐसा लगना है, you know.
But your cognitive capital is depleted, and वो आप जो बोल रहे something very interesting, things that would never bother you otherwise.
Yeah.
Recently posted a podcast with Mohammed Muiz, right? Amazing person, fun to speak to, just a wealth of knowledge, right? नीचे कमेंट आता है, 3 बजे मैंने पोस्ट की, 3:05 पे या 3:06 पे, 2 घंटे की पॉडकास्ट है, 3:06 पे कमेंट आता है, गुड, नाउ डू अ पॉडकास्ट विद शहजाद गियास, राइट? ठीक है, मैं तो कोशिश करके कर लूंगा या नहीं कर लूंगा, मेरा मसला है. तुम्हारे बाप का नौकर हूँ क्या? क्यों करूँ? और तुमने एटलीस्ट वॉच द होल डैम थिंग, यू नो. But that's just how people are.
But this is what I'll tell you. So if you go on Instagram right now, and you open, आप किसी भी इन्फ्लुएंसर की कोई लाइफस्टाइल इन्फ्लुएंसर उठाएं, ठीक है, और आप उसकी पिक्चर देखें और फिर आप कमेंट सेक्शन पे आ जाएं, एंड यू बीच में बड़ी कोई हैवी कैप्शन होती है, एंड पीपल आर जेन्युइनली टॉकिंग अबाउट थिंग्स दैट नीड टू बी टॉक्ड अबाउट. नोबडी इज रीडिंग दैट. ऑल द कमेंट्स आर योर हेयर इज सो प्रिटी, वेयर इज योर ड्रेस फ्रॉम, लुकिंग गॉर्जियस. सिर्फ ये चल रहा होता है, बिकॉज पीपल are just not, again वो भी एक मसला हो गया ना, सोशल मीडिया ने एक और चीज़ बहुत ख़राब की है, वो ये कि आपका अटेंशन स्पैन इतना सा हो गया है, बिकॉज दिस स्वाइपिंग कि जी 5 सेकंड 2 सेकंड 1 सेकंड नहीं समझ आ रहा स्वाइप, नहीं समझ आ रहा
Instant
स्वाइप,
endorphin burst जो होता है, हाँ.
So this is the thing that people do not, why these short video platforms are working really well, because this is exactly what people want right now. They don't want to read, they don't want to use their brains and minds and read something which may be meaningful. अगर अभी भी आप देखें ना, people who are right now doing the best at social media are people who basically are just putting up mindless content.
Sure, unfortunately.
Yeah.
Allah रहम करे.
It's just, there's nothing to it. कोई इसका मतलब नहीं है, कोई मकसद नहीं है. मैं गोल घूम गई, मेरे कपड़े चेंज हो गए तो क्या हुआ? Like जो करते हैं, good for them.
Sure, yeah.
But I feel like at the same time that is taking so much away from people who are genuinely creating such great content and doing such a good job, and like using their platform to spread word about things. And
Sure,
like, and वो भी पढ़ने वाले लोग हैं, but if you talk about
कम
the
है.
masses,
हाँ.
तो बहुत इतनी सी percentage है.
Segue into your personal Instagram.
Yeah.
How did that come about? How's that going?
Okay, so you're talking about the blog, right? So so okay, so I basically started it right before I was getting married, and I wanted to document it for myself in an interesting way. Okay, like I would just take a picture and put something about it, so I remember.
What's it called, and where can people
So
find
yeah, so it's called Rants of a Desi Bride. It's on Instagram.
Yeah.
Even though I was bride now, mashallah, I've been married for 6 years almost. So
कोई बात नहीं.
yeah, so
जब
I'm
तक marketing चल रही है, हम चला रहे हैं भाई.
No, the thing is, I'm not a bride anymore. I'm like a mom now, but
What is it to be a bride?
huh?
What is it to be a bride?
I think that is a very that really varies from person to person. There's no
You'll
one
always
thing.
be his bride.
I will always be his bride. Yeah. Or like how पुराने ज़माने में there used to be a दुल्हन in the family,
हाँ.
जिनको कहते ही दुल्हन थे, वो दुल्हन ही
माशाल्लाह से,
बैठी थी.
हाँ.
एक बेबी होती है, एक दुल्हन होती है, सब फैमिली में होती है.
बेबी जो होती है ना, बेबी
होती है.
सत्यानाश कर देती है हर चीज को. मैं बता रहा हूँ. जो
but-
बेबी होती है ना.
Yeah, so basically I decided to start that space because I wanted to document the entire journey.
Okay.
Okay, what goes on into, preparing for a wedding and matlab just my side of it. And then it started gaining a little bit of traction. और उस टाइम पे बहुत ज़्यादा Instagram पे मतलब 6-7 साल पहले इतना नहीं होता था जितना अब है. So people started following and it was great because, like I was like, wow. And the thing is that I got employed the second I graduated. And then, so right before I was getting married, I had to move to Lahore. My husband is a Lahori.
Okay.
So we had to move, after the shadi, I had to move.
Okay.
So उस time पे I was working in a company जहाँ पे I was working on a contract. So when my contract was ending, so I had to let go of it. And I had a year in between then and till I got married. So I was a workaholic at that point. So I didn't know life without, some sort of work.
Structure.
So I was like, this is my project. So I made my shadi my project. Okay, I will do everything on my own.
Okay.
So literally like मेरे अम्मी अब्बू को ये भी नहीं पता था कि वो पहन क्या रहे हैं मेरी शादी में, because I was like, I'll do it. I'll take care of it because I need something to do in my life. And I am someone who cannot shop to save their lives. But उस time पे I was like, oh, this is what I will do.
Considering where you work, that's kind of...
Yeah. Yeah.
Sure.
I cannot shop.
Sure.
I cannot shop for myself.
That's
I
why
think
you
I
need
can-
Be Secure.
Yeah.
For that
No.
convenient shopping experience. Please.
हाँ.
Go
No,
on.
but so उस point पे क्या हुआ था कि मैंने कहा कि बस मुझे अपना एक project बनाना है and then I'm just going to document it in through Instagram, because पहले मैंने सोचा मैं एक blog बनाऊंगी proper, like like I'll write about it
WordPress
and stuff.
and all those things.
Yeah, but then I was like, अच्छा फिर
Instagram ठीक है.
yeah, then I was like, oh, Instagram करती हूँ. So people started following and it started getting some attention, which was nice, and it became a thing, and it was great. But the thing is that I think for myself, like I did not invest as much time as energy जितनी मैं कर सकती थी after I got married. I think after I got married भी when I was in Lahore for like a year I was unemployed. तो वो 2 साल तो मेरे पास कुछ था ही नहीं, तो मैं सिर्फ करती ये थी. तो उस टाइम पे तो फिर फॉलोअर्स भी बढ़ रहे हैं, बड़ी एंगेजमेंट भी आ रही है, बड़ी इंट्रैक्शन भी हो रही है. एंड द थिंग इज़ कि मेरा एक बहुत बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है कि आई कैन नॉट डू थिंग्स दैट मेक मी अनकम्फर्टेबल. सो आई एम वेरी शेमलेसली माई सेल्फ. ठीक,
अच्छा
मतलब-
प्रॉब्लम है मेरे ख्याल में. होना चाहिए लोगों को ये प्रॉब्लम.
मतलब मैं वो नहीं कर रही कि जी आपकी वीकनेसेस क्या हैं, तो मैं कहूँ जी मैं बहुत हार्ड वर्किंग हूँ, ये मेरी वीकनेस है. No, I'm not doing that.
मेरी weaknesses क्या है? Brilliant.
No, my weakness is that I'm a workaholic. ठीक है? But in all honesty, like
My
So,
weakness
you
is
know, like,
loyalty.
I also felt, my blog genuinely suffered because of that, because I could not put up a face every day. I could not wake up in the morning, put on makeup, do my hair, because it's just, but I did that for a while. Then I realized I just cannot. I cannot keep up.
But then your following jitni bhi hai,
Yeah.
substantial hai mashallah se, but it's genuine.
Yeah.
You have an actual community.
Yes.
You
Yes. And I take a lot of pride in that. Because,
Alhamdulillah.
like, when I look, because, I deal with influencers and I see the impact that they have on their audiences in terms of, अगर मैं बोलूँ कि from a sales perspective कि मुझे एक product बेचना है और मैं लगा दूँ ये can कि जी आप ये खरीद लें. So I know for a fact that the people who follow me will actually buy it because they know that I will only talk about it if I like it.
Sure.
And they would expect that from me. And I think
There's
I
that
also
trust.
Yeah, there's that trust. And I also think that I owe it to them because like it's a huge thing being an influencer because you are telling people to use something on their face or like
Sure.
to eat something
Sure.
without understanding that this may have a negative impact on their lives. So yeah, कहाँ निकल गई बात, but yeah, so I started because of that, and then बीच में completely like बिल्कुल I disappeared, and I think when we moved back to Karachi and I got a new job and it was very very hectic and with the baby and everything, I think it kind of sort of fell पीछे.
Mm-hmm.
But again, like you said, that there's a community that's there and it's great, and there are people who really like extend a lot of love and support to me.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah,
Yeah,
and
beautiful.
it's great. Yeah.
But so I suppose that's the right way of doing it versus the quick way of doing it, which is आप जो है ना you strategically आप जो है ना आपको महीने में सिर्फ 50 पोस्ट करने हैं,
Yeah.
दिन में इतने पोस्ट करने हैं,
Yeah.
रोज ये करना है,
Yeah.
and just grow your audience
Yeah.
that way.
Yeah.
But then they don't. दो चीजें, एक तो you don't know them.
Hmm.
They don't understand what they're
Yeah.
in for, right?
Yeah.
They
Yeah.
saw the last 9 pretty
Yeah.
pictures
Yeah.
and they're down
Yeah.
for it,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So, sure, I think there's something to be said about doing it properly. Also, वही वाली बात है ना, just because you can say something doesn't mean you should say
yeah.
something.
Yeah. Yeah.
Because of the nature of your Instagram, though, do people get in touch regarding problems that are exclusively female
Yeah.
or feminine?
Yeah. Yeah. They do.
Are
They
there
do.
some scary ones?
Yeah. There are. I would not talk about them,
Mm-hmm.
but I think, especially like so recently, not recently, अब तो उसको भी time हो गया, but I did a post on postpartum depression.
Postpartum, yes.
Yeah.
You know, there's post-marriage depression as well.
Yes.
Mara
There's a film coming out on that.
Yeah.
I actually just read about it yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
But ये भी होता है. And बड़ी सारी चीज़ें होती हैं, but so postpartum, like personally to me, it hit me really, really hard.
Wow.
So, like I felt that it, like even though I read up on it, बहुत मैंने पढ़ा हुआ था, and like, so I was aware of what was happening to me. And I think,
a beautiful support system and all those things.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. So जो वो सब भी नहीं होता
हाँ.
लोगों के पास.
Yeah, because people don't accept it to be a thing. I think my husband was also very hands-on with the whole, like preparing for it, because हमें का पता तो होना चाहिए ना कि क्या है कि अगर हो गया तो क्या होगा. So, like you're just in a very weird state of mind and you don't understand what's going on, and it's time you need someone to sort of keep you grounded and to just tell you that it's normal and you're fine, versus के कुछ नहीं होता, नमाज पढ़ लो ठीक हो जाएगा, या कुछ नहीं होता, you just need to like
be okay.
yeah, like कुछ नहीं होता, सब करते हैं,
Be
ऐसा तो क्या हो
normal.
गया. Yeah, people don't understand that it's a huge thing. And when the stories that people sent me after I made that post on what they had to go through and what their families went through and what their marriages went through, it was extremely disturbing and scary. And I think वही बात है कि because you also feel like you need to do something about it, because you realize that these people are sharing these personal stories with you.
Sure.
And then like बहुत intimate, बहुत personal details लोग भेजते हैं, and it's very like then you just feel like how can I be unfair to these people, like how can I say something which is not right for them.
Sure. Is that fair though? To
Like
you?
how? No, to me
You're,
क्या?
you're not claiming it to be a doctor.
Yeah, so again, like I'm just talking about things from my own perspective, right? Okay, this is my experience of it. And obviously, like with everything, you have to put up a disclaimer and you have to explain कि जी maybe, so you also don't want to scare people. कि अगर मैं बोल दूँ कि जी there's a woman who's pregnant and who's following me, and she would, it's mentally you are really channeling your energy in a certain way, and you are आप अपने आप को psychologically भी बहुत ज़्यादा कर देते हो मेंटल सोच के किसी चीज़ के बारे में. So obviously I don't want to do that to a person either. So you have to tell that, okay, this is what happened to me, but this is not the case with everyone, right? There are a lot of women who alhamdulillah just go through labor and birth and the first 3 months after the baby. It's a breeze for them.
Yeah, it is a breeze for them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And which is great, alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah, but that's not like, not one experience is better than the other.
Yeah.
It's all just...
The point is that you just need to accept that these things are a reality. The sooner you accept कि जी ये सब चीज़ें होती हैं, the sooner it would, like, the easier it would be for people to sort of, understand how to deal with them.
You think we, all of us, are way too taken by things that historically have bothered or plagued societies? For instance, हम evolution से डरते हैं, लेकिन हम अपनी उम्र से भी डरते हैं.
Yeah.
You get all those skin grafts and you're
Yeah.
like, Botox लग रहा है,
Yeah.
transplant हो रहा है,
Yeah.
because you don't want to look your age
Yeah.
when the most normal thing in the
Yeah,
world
it's
is growing
aging.
old.
Yeah.
Like
I told you before we started that I love the process of aging. I
one
do.
of the few
ठीक है?
people who
No,
do.
I find it very, very, very fascinating and interesting. And from a physical perspective and also from like a like a human element of it. कि जी, how are you evolving? And
Let's hope we are evolving.
yeah,
Matlab,
let's
there's
hope
people
we
who
are.
aren't.
Yeah.
Like the guy who said the thing about the Instagram on the people's.
Yeah. Yeah.
Screw him. Yeah.
Yeah, you don't know, but the thing is कि I feel like again this has a lot to do with the world that we live in right now.
Sure.
And what is being portrayed कि जी वो एक एक्ट्रेस हैं, वो 1 करोड़ साल की हैं, मगर वो जो लगती तो है वो 29 साल की हैं, ठीक है? So मुझे भी ये बनना है. And then people are basically minting money off of their insecurities.
Sure.
कि जी, and like sometimes if you look at on the other side of the world, if you open their Instagrams and you see that every single girl looks exactly the same. I don't know who is who because I can't tell.
Because again, content creation has become formulaic, na?
Yeah.
Everyone has the best cameras,
Yeah.
the best lights,
Yeah.
right?
Access to Photoshop.
Access to Photoshop, exactly. And as someone who understands how much work goes into post-production,
Yeah.
I'm telling you, 80% of what you see isn't real.
Yeah.
On Instagram,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Even the men that I photograph now,
Yeah.
they're like, yeah, skin retouching to
Yeah.
lazmi hai.
Yeah. And अब आप conscious भी हो गए, and plus solutions are very easy, right? If nothing, you just put a filter on Instagram, right? And it just makes your skin flawless.
Yeah.
Because you don't want people to know कि जी मेरे pores हैं.
Mhm.
भाई लेकिन हैं. And it's okay. And
एक cool चीज दिखाऊं आपको.
क्या? Oh.
क्या बात है?
बुढ़े लोग मतलब अच्छा it starts very young, right? कि
Yeah.
यूं ना करो.
हाँ.
लाइनें पड़ जाएंगी. तो क्या
तो
हुआ?
लाइनें तो पढ़नी है ना. लाइनों को
It's
क्या-
okay. It's fine. तुम्हारे बाल वाइट हो रहे हैं भाई.
या मेरे बाल बहुत white है.
But I
think it's wisdom.
This is a conversation I have with my husband a lot. कि I really like people with like grey white like hair, black. क्या कहते हैं उसको? कुछ कहते हैं ना, salt and pepper
Salt
type.
and pepper,
Yeah.
हाँ.
मुझे बड़े अच्छे लगते हैं. तो मैं I always tell
ये
my
सेट लगे
husband.
पड़े माशाल्लाह से
So
नहीं.
yeah, he's a part of the decor.
He's just like
Yeah.
नहीं अब तो
नहीं.
माइक नहीं खुला हुआ.
अब आप कुछ नहीं बोल सकते. But the thing
आप
is,
हमें बोल सकते हो.
I don't know. I think beauty is very subjective. So you can't-
beauty is subjective, and I just
I
think
think you're beautiful.
I think you're beautiful too.
माशाल्लाह से.
Gorgeous.
If someone wants to not have pores showing, that's their call completely. Right?
Which is fine. I'm just saying I agree with that.
Yeah,
If somebody
sure.
doesn't, I'm saying
Let's
if somebody,
let's repeat that. So he just said that if someone doesn't want their pores showing, that's their
Their
call,
call, yeah.
and that's completely all right
it's
as well.
absolutely fine.
Mhm.
Which is why I'm not going to say कि जी आप anti-aging products जो हैं जो आ रहे हैं आप ना इस्तेमाल करो, आप करो. आपको अगर if that makes you feel better, if that makes you feel confident, go ahead doing it. But I think that promoting these things too much and promoting a certain standard of beauty from your own वो that is wrong.
It's detrimental to people's health. Yeah,
कि
sure.
like अगर मैं रोज जाके बोलूँ कि भाई पोर्स नहीं होने चाहिए,
हाँ,
बड़ी
होने
बड़ी
नहीं
चीज़
चाहिए,
होती है,
हाँ.
होनी नहीं चाहिए. So then people who are okay with them showing start questioning themselves कि oh is this wrong or am I supposed to cover these
Is
up?
there something unnatural about
Yeah.
this? Mhm.
And this is what I mean कि I'm not saying कि आप उनको बुरा बोलो जो छुपाते हैं, but मैं कह रही हूँ फिर आप उसको भी बुरा ना बोलो जिसका दिख रहा है कि either way is fine. If you don't want them showing, great. If you want them showing, that should also be fine. But people just come and they shame you, right? Skin का क्या हाल हो गया है? Cream नहीं लगाती, sunblock लगाया करो, ये नहीं करती.
Years. It's
Yeah.
called time.
And it's fine. Like, it's okay. Maybe it's not a priority for me. Maybe you
Maybe
know,
it's not,
maybe if I am looking 10 years older, maybe I don't care about it. It's fine. It's not necessary कि मैं कुछ करूँ उसके बारे में. So, I'll tell you about my mom. So, my mom is the most, क्या कहेंगे उसको? She doesn't care.
Okay.
ठीक है, she does not care.
No.
ठीक है, उनको ना उनको कपड़ों का शौक है, ना उन्हें मेकअप का शौक है.
Just a
ना-
gangster.
Yeah, she's like whatever, and she's the last person who you would expect to, you know, conform to the वो कि जी सोसाइटी में सब क्या कहेंगे कि जी कहती है भाई मेरी यही चप्पल है, मैं यही पहनूंगी, मैं नहीं पहन सकती दूसरी चप्पल, मैं कंफर्टेबल नहीं हूँ. ठीक है, चाहे वो कुछ भी हो. So I think this comes to me from her. Okay, you know, like it's okay to be shamelessly yourself. And you know, like when I was younger, I used to get very woke. क्यों नहीं अम्मी ने क्यों नहीं तैयार हो रही ना, अम्मी के पास अम्मी क्यों नहीं मेकअप लगा रही. मुझे बड़ा बॉदर करता था कि क्यों भाई, you know, like, उसकी अम्मी तो लगाती हैं और उसकी अम्मी तो करती हैं जो भी. And then I realized that, you know, she is so comfortable with who she is that, you know, like she doesn't care.
Achha, this is again coming from a man, right? Take it for what it's worth. It breaks my heart when women feel the need to put on makeup. I've had people very close to me straighten their hair, used to bother me, curl their hair, used to bother me. I was like, यार आपको समझ ही नहीं आता आप कितने खूबसूरत है. और आप जो है, you're doing all this because what? Because people said you should be a little fairer, you should be a shade to the left or to the
Yeah.
right, that your hair should be this way instead of that. Screw those people.
The thing is,
But
it's
those
very
people
easy.
give them work.
Yeah. No. No, the other thing is also very easy for us to say this because you are one person, right?
Sure.
And there may be 4 other people coming to them telling them the opposite.
Sure.
कि जी आपको ये हो रहा है तो उसके लिए ना आप ये कर लो, या आपके यहाँ पे ये दिख रहा है, आपके बाल ऐसे हो रहे हैं तो आप इसके लिए ये लगा लो. But like I don't understand why people feel the need. Like यही बात है ना कि you just need to let people be, so
That's
that
it.
they can make choices for their own selves.
That's it.
अभी तो हर किसी के दिमाग में, मतलब मुझे भी ये लगता है कि मुझे कोई डिसीजन लेना होता है ज़िंदगी में, तो फिर मुझे कभी कभी लगता है मुझे 4 लोगों से पूछना चाहिए कि मैं ये करूँ, मुझे ये करना चाहिए, शुड आई डू दिस, शुड आई डू दैट. एंड देन वो 4 पीपल के 4 डिफरेंट ओपिनियंस आते हैं, एंड देन वट एवर कम्स इवेंचुअली एज अ रिजल्ट ऑफ इट, it's not something that I necessarily want
It's
for
not
myself,
authentic,
right?
no.
But eventually, like, I'm led to believing कि जी यही सही है. And same applies to beauty, same applies to how you live your life, any and everything. कि बस आपने इसलिए कर लो क्योंकि ये सोशली एक्सेप्टेबल होगी.
Because ये होता है.
कि ये होता है.
ऐसा होता है.
हाँ.
ये किया
कि
जाता
वो
है.
तो करती है तो तुम भी कर लो. या you know, like अपने मियाँ से छोटी बड़ी लगनी शुरू हो जाओगी थोड़े टाइम बाद, तो वही क्या हो गया. It's okay.
बड़ी लगना शुरू हो जाओगी.
हाँ. ये भी तो यही ना कि एजिंग इज सच अ बिग it's such a big problem.
It's a taboo, na?
It's a taboo.
Like we're not gonna die.
Yeah. Like if you look younger, it doesn't mean that you're not aging. You will die regardless.
None of us is getting out of here. Like,
Yeah.
Allah Rahm kare. But this has been wonderful. Percy.
Yeah.
This has been a beautiful conversation. I'm glad that you came.
Thank you for having me.
Of course, dude.
This was very refreshing.
Was it? I hope so.
It was. It was.
But please, apna Instagram to is the
Rants of a Desi Bride.
Rants of a
Yes,
Desi Bride.
yes.
Check it. And that's it? No Facebook? No,
No.
YouTube?
No.
Why? Twitter?
No.
Sure.
The thing is, I just told you I barely update my Instagram.
Right.
How will I keep up with all of these platforms? I will.
Fair enough.
Yeah.
They do tax your cognitive capital.
Yeah.
That is true. But yeah. Keep doing the good work,
Thank
right?
you very much.
I really appreciate the जो मैंने देखा Instagram का I appreciate. And if I ever do another podcast, and if you ever want to come on, I think it'd be great.
Thank you.
Right.
Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum.